If you are looking for some support for current affairs, if you are a fresher, you are a working professional, you are a repeater, but you want some support for current affairs, then I have a program for you. I have given the brochure and also the announcement video link in the description. You can watch if you are interested. Right, class starts from 14th of February. Hello all, welcome back to Current Affairs series. I'm Guna Mathivanan from Offices IAS Academy. In this video, we are going to discuss about Gongadi Shawl. See, Kuruba communities of Telangana, they traditionally make this Gongadi shawl. Right? It's a woolen shawl. The wool is derived from a Deccani sheep, which is locally called as Nallagore. Alright, friends from Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, don't mistake me if my pronunciation is wrong. Okay, so Kuruba communities of Telangana, they make use of this Nallagore sheep's wool. Using that wool, they make Gongadi shawl. Right, Gongadi shawl. This Gongadi shawl will not use any colors. It will not use any natural or synthetic colors. No natural colors, no synthetic colors. The exact wool color is reflected in this Gongadi shawl. See, this Gongadi shawl, over a time, it will not fade. Rather, as time progresses, the shawl color will be improved. That is, the shawl will become more darker. It will not fade. Highly versatile shawl, highly durable. It can withstand any kind of weather condition. See, border security force soldiers are given this Gongadi shawl so that they can use to withstand the harsh climates in the border conditions. So why this Gongadi shawl was in use? National Institute of Design, Ahmedabad, the alumni of National Institute of Design, Ahmedabad, they have developed a all-weather shoe which will be useful for the farmers. Using this Gongadi shawl, they developed an all-weather shoe which will be highly useful for the farmers. That's why it was in use. That's why we are discussing as well.